Types of contracts required to be in writing. As mentioned, 5 general categories of contract fall within the statute of frauds. Each is discussed in this section. Contracts that cannot be performed within 1 year. Contracts that cannot be performed within 1 year of the date of the agreement must be in writing. TH's rule suggests that if a contract cannot be fully performed within 1 year, after consummation of the contract must be in writing. For example, if you agree to teach school on August 15th, and your position runs from September 1st through August 31st, but you do not begin performance until September 1st under the statute of frauds, the agreement must be in writing. TH's provision of the statute of frauds has met with much hostility within the courts because often it can cause inequitable results. One type of contract that has come under scrutiny is the lifetime contract. A contract for the lifetime of a person suggests that it cannot be performed within 1 year and thus must be in writing. However, some courts have interpreted this provision to suggest that the possibility exists that a person may die within 1 year, thereby allowing enforceability of an oral contract without requiring a writing.